Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to easily insert page numbers in a Word document. So you've created a fantastic Word document and now you want to add page numbers to it. Well, it's super simple and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, open the Word document that you want to add page number, and then after that, go to Insert tab at the top of your screen here. Now you'll see various options, but what you're looking for is page number. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. So here's the page number. Click, and then you can choose where you want your page numbers to be placed, at the top, bottom, or margins of your pages. Select the style that suits your document. You'll notice that Word automatically inserts the page numbers for you. So let's say bottom of the page, and then choose a option here. So for example, we will choose plain number 3, and then you can see the page number at the bottom of your page. Here 1, and then page 2, and then so on. Now if you want to customize the appearance of your page numbers, no worries, it's very easy. Just hover or select the page number and then you can change the font or the size of your page number. So that's it. You now know how to effortlessly insert page numbers into your Word document. No more manually typing in page numbers. Word does it for you, saving you time and effort. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to insert page numbers in a Word document. See you on my next video.